In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts manually on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of daily transactions or someone managing finances for a larger operation, learning to input sales receipts manually is a valuable skill that ensures your accounts are accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the main dashboard of your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're there, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a New button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your starting point for adding various types of transactions, so you'll become quite familiar with it if you frequently use QuickBooks for financial tasks. After you click New, a drop-down menu will appear, listing several options. For our purposes today, you'll want to select Sales Receipt. Doing so will lead you to a new page where you'll manually enter the details of your sales receipt. Now, let's take a moment to talk about what kind of information you'll need to have on hand. Generally, this will include details such as the date of the transaction, the customer's information, and a description of the products or services sold. Be sure to include any pertinent details that will help keep your records clear and organized, such as item quantities and prices. Accuracy is key here, as mistakes can lead to bigger issues when reconciling accounts later. Take your time as you enter this information. Double-check each entry for accuracy, particularly any numerical data. Once all the necessary fields are completed and you've ensured everything matches your sales receipt, it's time to move forward. Now, look towards the bottom of the screen for the Save and Close button. Clicking this will save all your hard work and close the sales receipt entry window. And just like that, you're done. Your sales transaction is now part of your QuickBooks records, updated and ready for any future financial reviews or reconciliation processes you may need to perform. Recording sales receipts accurately not only helps you keep track of your income, but also aids in producing reliable financial reports. Such diligence ensures that come tax season, all your information is organized, reducing stress and potential errors. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident navigating QuickBooks Online when recording sales receipts manually. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you continue to input these receipts, the process will become more intuitive. Thank you for tuning in, and happy accounting!